Come on, it's your tummy rub. You're a good boy. You being a good boy, baby? Being a good boy? See if he bakes for me. Camo? What are you doing? Look how he's laying down. Look at this dog. Sleeping like a little human. Camo? What the? My stomach. Ow! Ow! What are you doing? You gonna go in the room again? Good boy. Good boy. Oh. Hey guys. Just woke up. Literally. After that, Christy's all over my face. Because I was sleeping. And how do I sleep? I usually sleep on my side. Or like this. Camo, my hair. What are you doing, buddy? What the? My pillow. What a weirdo. Are you gonna guard the room? Oh, you gonna sit on that? Good boy. Oh, we're sleeping on Hello Kitty. Yep, this is it. Got my little candle burning. Gonna be organizing this. It's so messy. Oh my gosh. It needs to be fixed. It looks crazy. That's basically it. Wake up, Camo. Just wake up. Good boy. Thinking about taking Camo for a walk today too. So that'll be nice for him. But see you guys later, okay? Say bye. Mwah. Love you.